Well, what time do you eat? You can come to us after. Oh, and I skimmed some of the Donahue's yam, so you're not going to want to miss that.
No can do. Gotta get to April's great aunt right after, right, babe?
Okay, pencil us in right after the great aunt.
Oh, well, then we have our third Thanksgiving at Grandma Chi-Chi's. She's losing her memory, so it's important we see her.
Or you could just tell her you saw her.
Mom! Mom! Where's my chair?
What?
Texted me Dad has chair plans.
I texted Dad has chest pains.
Oh, my God. So I'm not getting a chair?
Just put on the shirt. We're retaking the Christmas picture.
But I thought Dad had chest pains.
False alarm. You know your dad. He's very dramatic.
I've got the trunk open for the chair, but there's a big engine in the way.
Wasted trip. Not getting me a chair. We just gotta take this stupid picture.
Nope. Never mind. You were right. I was never going to send it anyway, so. You two are free to go. I'll see you on Thanksgiving. I don't know how hungry we're going to be at 8, but you can always take leftovers to your grandma.
Grandma?
Yeah, Grandma Titi.
Oh, we just call her Grandma Titi. She was really our babysitter.
So she's not actually related?
Oh, no, she is. To somebody, just not to us.
Well, we got stuff to do. Not gonna hang around if there ain't no chair in it for me. I'll see you tomorrow.
Are you kidding me? We're eating at the crack of dawn so they can go to Akron to see her babysitter? She's not even related.
And, by the way, not a good babysitter, because she obviously dropped April on her head a few times.
Try a few hundred
She's
times.
a great catch, but she's not. Axel could have his pick of anyone, and he picks April? She's a moron, an idiot. If breathing wasn't automatic, she'd be dead. Axel. Oh, God. No. It's out there now, so I'm just gonna say it. This is not the girl for you. You are special. You are special, Axel, and April is just not. Yes, she's nice and innocent, and she's got big eyes, and she's like a baby deer in human form, but she's not good enough for you. And yeah, I'm the boy mom, and I should just shut up and smile and wear yellow, but not for this girl. I will not stand by quietly and watch you make the biggest mistake of your life. She is not the one for you, Axel. She's not the one.
It's still dark outside.
Are we really doing this?
Of course. It's good, because then we'll be hungry for leftovers by lunch.